Alright, so today I'm going to get into taking, or actually cutting off this lower portion of the front area, and I'm going to replace it with this. I didn't want to replace the whole front because I'm not going to rounds, I'm going to the early squares. So I just wanted to do the lower portion because it's all dented, and I was looking at trying to fix it. This is all dented. But I figured I would just cut it and then weld this one in place. And then you shouldn't be able to see it if it's not very straight because it's behind the bumper, but for the most part I just want to fix it so it looks better. So I'm gonna start cutting on it. Alright, so I have everything cut out. I still gotta go back up and clean the inside out, but I have everything mocked up on how it's gonna fit. Looks pretty good. I still have to go back through and trim it all the size. Still gotta trim it. But I wanted to like mock it up as far as fit and see how everything fit, and then go from there. But I'm gonna stop there and get some food, but I gotta clean up this mess first. Alright, back in the garage. I'm gonna start out by scribing lines on all this stuff so I can get some precision cuts between everything. Then I'll cut it out and then try to fit everything. I'm gonna have to drill a bunch of holes for spot welds along the bottom, and then some spots through here, but I'll do that after I get everything cut out the way I want it. So I'm gonna do that. All right, I'm pretty happy with the fitment. I think everything looks pretty good. I need to go back through and clean up all the areas that are going to be walled areas. Then I should be able to clean up the inside of this, put some primer in there, and then should be able to weld it all together. So I'm gonna get to cleaning up stuff. Clean up all the areas to be welded, and then drill a bunch of holes for plug welds, and then I should be able to put it on. I got the inside all painted, primed, and then I primed the pinch weld areas, spot weld areas. So I'm just gonna leave the heater on for a little bit so it dries, and then hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to weld it in. But it's looking pretty good. Alright, so I'm back out in the garage, and I'm going to go through, start putting in holes where I'm going to plug weld, and then put some holes on this, both sides. Then I'll be able to start welding stuff up. I have a couple holes to put in here that attach to this, and I can't do that with this tool. But everywhere else I'm going to use this tool to do the holes that I can get to. There's a couple down here that are real thick that I can't get this in, so I'm going to have to drill those. But I'm going to use this for everything else. Alright, so I got it all welded in and ground down. I didn't record too much of me grinding on it because my card was full from the welding and I forgot to change it. So got it welded, ground all down. It looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, in the next video I'll probably be working on that hole, filling that hole. And then I'll be working on getting the truck ready to spin around so I can work on the driver's side. So that's where I'll be on the next video. So anywho, thanks for watching. Appreciate all the likes and comments. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'll be happy to answer them. Or if you just want to tell me I'm doing stuff wrong, go right ahead. But anywho, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.